some tips and tricks. Tips and tricks. Tips and tricks of trigonometric formulas. So first we will see sin 15 degrees plus cos 15 degrees is equal to, in the same way, sin 15 degrees cos 15 degrees and as well as sin 75 degrees plus cos 75 degrees. We will check what we will get here. Okay? We should remember the value of sin 15. So what is the sin 15? So sin 15 plus cos 15. Sin 15 means root 3 minus 1 by 2 root. Cos 15 value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root. So take LCM and add both. So what we get here? Root 3 minus 1 plus root 3 plus 1. Denominator is same, no? Same thing you will get. 2 root plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Root 3 plus root 3, 2 root 3 divided by 2 by root. 2 gets cancelled. So what left here? Under root 3 by 2 is left. Okay. Next one, sin 75 degrees plus cos 75 degrees. So now sin 75 degrees plus cos 75 degrees. So what is sin 75 degrees? How do we get sin 75 degrees? It is, we can write 90 minus 50, cos 15 degrees will get. Cos 15 degrees is the sin 50. What is cos 15 degrees? This will get. Same value, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 75 degrees value. Same way, cos 75 degrees value, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Because sin 75 can be written as sin 90 minus 15 degrees. 19 minus 15 is nothing but 75. Next, this is operating on y-axis, ratio changes and falls in first quadrant, plus cos 15 will get. Cos 15 value already be known, same thing we will substitute. In that way, cos 75 is nothing but sin 15 is equal to the sin 15 value. That also we substituted here. Okay? Now if we simplify this one, LCM 2 root 2. In numerator, root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. 2 root 3 by 2 root 2. 2 gets cancelled. Under root 3 by 2. So both are equal. Under root 3 by 2 will get. These two are equal. Which two? Sin 15 degrees plus cos 15 degrees is equal to sin 75 degrees plus cos 75 degrees. Clear? So now, next tip, coffee. I am going to drop this one. Next trick. Next trick. Cos 15 minus sin 15 degrees. In the same way, sin 75 degrees minus cos 75 degrees. This value, what we get, let us see. Okay? Sin 15 degrees minus cos 15 degrees minus sin 15 degrees is equal to sin 75 degrees minus cos 75 degrees. So now substitute those values. What we get here, let us see. So cos 15 cos 15 degrees minus sin 15 degrees. So what is the cos 15 degrees? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root minus sin 15 degrees. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So now take LCM. Here LCM is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. LCM is 2 root 2. Now root 3 plus 1 minus root 3, minus into minus plus 1. Here plus root 3 minus root 3 gets cancelled. 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 root 2. 2 also gets cancelled. 1 by root 2 will get. 1 by root 2. Next, coming to next one. Sin 75 degrees minus cos 75 degrees. So what is the sin 75 degrees value? 90 minus 15 means cos 15 only. Cos 15 means root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 only. So here sin 15 will come. Sin 15 means same thing, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 will get. Now we take out LCM. LCM is 2 root 2, root 3 plus 1 minus root 3, minus into minus plus, plus root 3 minus root 3, 2 by 2 root 2. 2 gets cancelled, 1 by root 2. So that is 1 by root 2 is the answer. No problem. Any doubt? Perfect. Next one. Next tan 15 plus cot 15. Tan 75 degrees plus cot 75 degrees. Tan 15 degrees plus cot 15 degrees is equal to tan 75 degrees plus cot 75 degrees. We will see what values will get. Both will get same. So okay. What is tan 15? Tan 15 value you should know. Already we derived now. Tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. Same way cot 15 also should know. Cot 15 is equal to 90 minus 75. 90 minus 75. So what do we get there? 90 minus 75 means cot 15 degrees. Cot 15 degrees is equal to cot 90 minus 75. That is equal to tan 75. Tan 75 means we will get 2 plus root 3. Otherwise we can write cot in the form of 1 by tan. 1 by tan means 1 by 2 minus root 5. Rationalizing the denominator we get 2 plus root 5 by what we get instead of 2 minus root 5 root 3 sorry root 3 2 minus root 3. Rationalizing the denominator what we get 4 minus 3, that is equal to 2 plus root 3 will come. So cot 15 is 2 plus root 3. Now plus root 3 minus root 3 gets cancelled. What left behind? 2 plus 2 4 we get. Next coming to tan 75 degrees. Tan 75 degrees plus cot 75 degrees. So what is this tan 75 degrees? 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. Next cot 75 means 1 by tan. 1 by tan means 1 by 2 plus root 3. So rationalizing the denominator we get 2 minus root 3 Here denominator 4 minus 3 you will get, that is the 2 minus root 3 is the cot 75. So 2 minus root 3. In this plus root 3 minus root 3 gets cancelled. 2 plus 2, 4 will come. Okay, clear? So from this trick what we get? This value is equal to 4. Okay? Copy it. Next value. Cot 15 degrees minus tan 15 degrees. Cot 15 degrees minus tan 15 degrees. And tan 75 minus cot 75. Cot 15 degrees minus tan 15 degrees. Okay? So now carefully observe. Cot 15 degrees minus tan 15 degrees. Cot 15 degrees we already, what is that one? 2 plus root 3. Tan 15 degrees, 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. So from this 2 plus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3. Plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. What we get? 2 root 3. 2 root 3. Next, tan 75 degrees. Tan 75 degrees minus cot 75 degrees. What is tan 75 degrees? Tan 75 degrees is 2 plus root 3 minus cot 75, 2 minus root 3. So now 2 plus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3. Minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. What left behind? 2 root 3 left behind. 2 root 3 left behind. So now 2 root 3 is the final answer of this trick. Okay. Next coming to next problem. That is 105 degrees. Theta is equal to 105 degrees. Sin 105 degrees, value 1 cos 105, tan cot also got 5. Cos 105 degrees, tan 105 degrees, cot 105 degrees. Okay. So now carefully observe first one. We will take sin 105 degrees. Sin 105 degrees. This can be written as sin 90 plus 15 degrees. So it falls in second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is there, no plus will come. It is operating on y-axis. So ratio changes. Cos 15 degrees. So what is the cos 15 degrees value? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root. Next, coming to cos 105 degrees. Second one, cos 105 degrees. So this also we can write 90 plus 15 degrees. So cos 90 degrees plus 15 degrees. So it falls in second quadrant. Cos is not there in second quadrant. Negative sign will come, and it is operating on y-axis. Cos changes to sin. Sin 15 degrees. So what is the value of sin 15 degrees? Minus of root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Otherwise we can write 1 minus root 3. 1 minus root 3. 1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. If you take minus inside, minus root 3 will come, plus 1 will come. Okay. Next, third one. Tan 105 degrees. So this can be written as tan 90 plus 15 degrees. So which quadrant it falls? Again it falls in second quadrant. Second quadrant tan is not there, minus will come. It is operating on y-axis. So ratio changes. Cot 15 degrees. Now we see cot 15 degrees value 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. Next final one, cot 105. Cot 105 degrees. It can be written as cot 90 plus 15 degrees. So it also falls in second quadrant. Cot is not there, only sine, cosecant is there. So minus will come. It is operating on y-axis. Cot changes to tan 15 degrees. Tan 15 degrees value 2 minus root 3. So these are the results. Okay? Note. Okay, next value. Here two values are given. Tan alpha is equal to m by m plus 1. Next, tan beta also given. Tan beta is equal to 1 by 2m plus 1. 2m plus 1 if tan alpha is equal to. Then what we have to prove? Then prove that tan alpha plus beta. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Okay? Tan alpha is given m by m plus 1. Tan beta also given 1 by 2m plus 1. Then what you have to prove? Tan alpha plus beta is equal to 1. So let us see. Tan alpha plus beta, tan A plus B formula. So that is tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. So that will become tan alpha value, you have to substitute here m by m plus 1 plus tan beta value also you have to substitute 1 by 2m plus 1 whole divided by 1 minus tan alpha m by m plus 1 into tan beta 1 by 2m plus 1. Now simplify this one. Okay, here what you get LCM? M plus 1 into 2m plus 1. Cross multiply, what you get? 2m plus 1 into m plus m plus 1. In numerator also, LCM is same, you will get m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 and m plus 1 into this 2m plus 1 minus m. Okay, here carefully observe, this one gets cancelled, this one also gets cancelled. Now 2m square plus m plus 1 all divided by, multiply these two, m into 2m square, m into 1 plus m. Okay, next we have to multiply these two with 1 plus 2m plus 1 and minus m. So here plus m minus m gets cancelled. What left behind you have to see? 2m square, m plus m, 2m plus 1 in numerator. Next coming to denominator, 2m square plus 2m plus 1. Keep bracket and observe these two are equal. Both will get cancelled. 1 by 1, that is equal to, will get 1. So hence proved. This we took LHS. Here what we got? RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 1. Okay, note. Next problem. Here also tan alpha, tan beta is given. Now you have to find tan alpha minus beta. Tan alpha minus beta. So what is tan alpha is given? M plus 1 by m. Tan beta, same value, tan beta. 1 by 2m plus 1. 1 by 2m plus 1. Now take LHS and RHS. So what is LHS here? Tan alpha minus beta is the LHS. RHS is 1. So LHS. This is RHS. Left hand side, right hand side. Now it's equal to. So LHS what we are taking? Tan alpha minus beta. So tan A minus B form. So that is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. So now substitute the given value of tan alpha and tan beta. Tan alpha is m plus 1 by m minus 1 by 2m plus 1. Here 1 minus m plus m by m plus 1 by m into 1 by 2m plus 1. So now simplify it. In numerator, LCM is m into 2m plus 1. Cross multiply this one. M plus 1 into 2m plus 1 minus m. M into 1 minus. Next coming to denominator. Okay, in denominator also we take LCM. M into 2m plus 1 cross multiply m into 2m plus 1 minus m plus 1 put under brackets. Now these two denominators get cancelled. So what you left behind, that is you simplify, multiply this one, m into 2m, 2m square plus m into 1 will get 1 into this one, same thing you get 2m plus 1 and minus 1 left behind, that one you write here, whole divided by this one, 2m square plus m minus m plus 1. Okay, 2m square plus m minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 will come. Okay, here if you have doubt means immediately rise. Next observe, here tan alpha minus beta means tan A plus minus tan B, here plus will come. Here you should careful that one, otherwise won't get similar answers, will get different answer. Plus m minus m gets cancelled. So what we get here? 2m square plus 2m plus 1 divided by 2m square plus 2m plus 1. Okay, keep bracket, cancel them 1 by 1, that is 1 that is RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, clear? No.